I recently hosted a dinner party, and waking up to a dishwasher full of soggy plastic containers and crusty lasagna pans was a nightmare. Finding a dishwasher that actually cleans and dries without leaving water spots feels impossible these days. If you're tired of rewashing clean dishes, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the absolute best KitchenAid dishwashers on the market, sharing my hands-on experience to help you make the right choice. Stick around because my top pick completely changed how I look at kitchen appliances. 5. KitchenAid KDPS424SPS. Right out of the gate, this 24-inch fully integrated dishwasher makes a strong visual statement with its sleek, pocket-style handle and print shield stainless steel finish. When I brought this unit into the test kitchen, I immediately noticed how well that specialized coating repels fingerprints and smudges. If you have kids or a busy household, wiping down the front of the dishwasher constantly is a chore you can gladly leave behind. It features a completely hidden touch control panel that gives the exterior a minimalist, clean look that blends seamlessly into modern cabinetry. When it comes to the interior, the highlight of this model is easily the 360-degree Max Jet's third rack. Unlike older third racks that only fit flat silverware, this one features dual rotating wash tubes specifically designed to clean the inside and outside of coffee mugs, pint glasses, and small bowls. I loaded it up with some heavily stained coffee cups and was genuinely impressed by how thoroughly the top jets blasted away the residue. The 7.25 cubic foot max tub interior provides an incredibly spacious 16-place setting capacity, easily accommodating tall pitchers and bulky stock pots in the lower rack. However, during my testing, I did notice a few drawbacks when it came to the drying phase. This model uses KitchenAid's standard fan-enabled Pro Dry system, which relies on a recessed heating element and a fan to circulate hot air. While it does a fantastic job on standard ceramic plates and glassware, I found that complex plastic containers with deep crevices occasionally retained a bit of residual moisture. 4. KitchenAid KDTS424SPS. Visually and internally, this dishwasher is the direct sibling to our number 5 pick, but swaps the sleek pocket handle for a robust, industrial-style towel bar handle. When testing this model, I immediately appreciated the practicality of the towel bar. Having a convenient spot to hang a dish towel right where you need, it is a small detail that makes a big difference in a bustling kitchen. The front features the same fantastic print shield stainless steel finish, keeping the exterior looking pristine even after weeks of heavy culinary use. Inside, you get the same massive 16-place setting capacity and the incredibly useful 360-degree Max Jet's third rack. I decided to push the limits of the true self-cleaning filtration system on this model. Instead of rinsing my dishes, I loaded plates heavily soiled with dried ketchup and oatmeal. The filtration system continuously captures and flushes out food particles throughout the wash and rinse cycles. I was thoroughly impressed to find that none of the food particles were redeposited onto the clean glassware, proving that the 5 spray arms and advanced filtration work exactly as advertised. Despite its impressive cleaning power, this model shares some of the same limitations as its pocket handle counterpart. Because it uses the identical standard Pro Dry system, I experienced the same minor frustrations with drying performance on synthetic materials. Tupperware lids and silicone baking mats consistently emerged with annoying droplets of water clinging to their surfaces. For a dishwasher in this premium price bracket, having to reach for a dish towel to dry off your plastics before putting them away feels slightly underwhelming and adds an unnecessary step to your kitchen routine. 3. KitchenAid KDTF924PPA. This model is a panel-ready, flush-to-cabinet dishwasher, meaning you can attach a custom cabinet door to the front so it completely disappears into your kitchen design. During my hands-on time, I loved how seamlessly it integrated. There is no visible branding or bulky metal jutting out. It simply looks like another beautiful cabinet door until you pull it open. It is the ultimate choice for high-end, bespoke kitchen renovations where maintaining a cohesive aesthetic is critical. The most shocking revelation during my testing was the noise level, or rather, the complete lack of it. Operating at an astonishingly low 39 decibels, this is KitchenAid's quietest dishwasher. I genuinely had to check the LED cycle status light projected onto the floor just to confirm the machine was actually running. If you have an open floor plan, entertain guests frequently, or simply hate the background hum of household appliances, this 39 decibel rating is an absolute game changer. You can run a heavy-duty wash cycle while standing right next to it and easily carry on a whispered conversation. Inside, this model ditches the 360 Max Jets rack for the revolutionary FreeFlex Fit third-level rack. I found this rack design to be vastly superior for oddly shaped items. It is angled and deeply contoured, allowing it to easily accommodate 5-inch tall drinking glasses, mixing bowls, and travel mugs right at the top of the machine. This frees up an enormous amount of real estate in the middle and lower racks. The nylon-coated racks glide out with incredible smoothness on ball-bearing rollers, making the simple act of loading and unloading feel like a highly premium experience. 2. KitchenAid KDPS624SPS. This model brings us back to the gorgeous, ready-to-install print shield stainless steel exterior with a flush pocket handle, but it packs a significant upgrade under the hood. When I tested this unit, I was looking for the perfect balance between aggressive cleaning power and flawless drying, and this dishwasher absolutely delivered. It feels like KitchenAid took all the great foundational elements of their standard lineup and supercharged them for households that demand perfection on every single load without any compromises. The biggest differentiator here is the advanced Pro-Dry system. Remember how the earlier models struggled slightly with plastics? That issue is completely eradicated here. The advanced Pro-Dry system combines a much more robust heating element with a powerful fan assist, and it actively pulls moisture out of the air while circulating heat. I loaded this machine with the most difficult, intricately shaped plastic meal prep containers I could find in the test kitchen. When the cycle finished, not a single drop of water was left. They were cabinet ready the absolute second I opened the door. Cleaning performance is equally staggering thanks to the inclusion of over 50 total wash jets and the return of the 360-degree Max Jets third rack. I put the ProWash cycle to the test, which uses intelligent sensors to measure soil levels in the water and automatically adjust the wash time and temperature based on the mess. I threw in a casserole dish crusted with baked-on cheese without pre-rinsing. The sensors detected the heavy soil, ramped up the water temperature, and blasted the dish immaculate. The true self-cleaning filtration handled the solid food waste effortlessly, keeping the wash water crystal clear. 1. KitchenAid KDPS724SJP. This is the absolute pinnacle of dishwashing technology and design. While it is available in standard finishes, I had the pleasure of testing the stunning juniper color option. It brings an incredibly rich, personalized aesthetic to the kitchen that makes the appliance look like a custom piece of modern art rather than a standard utility box. With its sleek pocket handle and hidden top controls, it completely elevates the entire look and feel of the room before you even turn it on. What truly secured its place at number 1 during my testing was the ultra-bright LED interior lighting. It sounds like a simple feature, but once you experience an illuminated dishwasher tub, you will never want to go back to a dark one. The moment you open the door, the brilliant LED lights flood the massive 7.25 cubic foot stainless steel tub. Loading dishes in a dimly lit kitchen late at night is no longer a frustrating guessing game. It makes spotting that one rogue spoon or checking the cleanliness of a glass effortless, giving the entire machine a distinctly high-end, luxurious feel. Performance-wise, it takes every single premium feature KitchenAid offers and rolls them into one ultimate machine. It features the 360-degree Max Jets third rack, ensuring every single mug and bowl gets blasted from every angle. It also incorporates the highly coveted advanced Pro-Dry system alongside the automatic door open-dry technology. I tested this combination with an absolute nightmare load of greasy plastics, delicate wine glasses, and baked-on pots. The result was nothing short of perfection. Ultra. That's all for today.